Hello fellow hustlers! In today's video, I will be sharing with you another opportunity to be part of a stable ESL company wherein you can teach English online. So the name of the company is Langaroo. I will show you the platform wherein you can find another home-based job if ever you will not succeed in your application here in Langaroo. Hello again guys, so it's me Dessy. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. This channel is designed to help you fellow freelancers, co-ESL tutors to find the best company for you, to have better options, to inspire and encourage you to be more qualified in this field, and earn money from the comfort of your own homes. Before we start the video, I'd like to take this opportunity to invite you guys to watch my collaboration video with teacher Charmaine Esteban and teacher Clarice. We have a surprise announcement that can help you, our fellow hustlers. Okay guys, so Langaroo is hiring non-native English teachers for 250 pesos per hour. So there's no element of surprise because I already included here the amount or the rate that you are going to have. So yes, that is 250 pesos per hour. Okay guys, so this is the poster that I posted in my page Dessy and in our group of ESL teachers. And of course, you can see here the qualifications and requirements. This is the usual qualifications and requirements that they are looking for in a teacher. And you can also see here that the minimum available teaching hours is 10 hours per week. So you can work at least 3 working days a week. So this company is based in Israel, so the teaching days and hours will be from Sunday to Thursday in between 15 o'clock to 21 o'clock Israel time zone. So the hourly rate is $5 per hour, which is 250 plus per hour. I will be posting in the description box below the link wherein you can apply, and later on I will also show you. You can apply before November 15. So after November 15, they're going to process the application already. And I think they will no longer accept any application beyond that date. So again, they are looking for part-time teachers as well. Teaching hours are from 8 p.m. to 2 a.m. Philippine time. And of course, in their time, it will be 3 p.m. to 9 p.m. They only need 5 teachers, so of course they will be choosing the best of the best. And I also have heard a lot of good things about Langaroo, and their teachers are working for them long term. Their teachers are working for them for a long time already. Teaching will start mid-January according to the affiliate, and also the processing of the application will start in November. Okay, so this is the application process. So according to the affiliate, they are going to screen your application, so your CV, and then also you are going to be ready for the digital interview. You will be receiving an invitation for a group information session, and then after that another interview and simulation. Maybe this simulation will be the demo lesson. And then after you pass, you're going to sign the contract and you will start the training. So again, the training will start mid-January. So you can go ahead and apply, guys, and just make sure you do your best in your application. Okay, so how to apply? Let's go to the website. Guys, this is the website, and the website is called eTeacher Group. So you are going to be clicking on careers. And also, if you want to know about this website or this platform, you can just navigate on this or just explore the website. And if you are also interested in collaborating with them, just click on this and then read the details. So of course, in applying for jobs here in eTeacher Group, you don't need to sign up. So you just go ahead and click on careers. And of course, you are going to see here different kinds of job or different openings. So they need AP assistant, bookkeeper, chat representative, Hebrew and English, chat representative, coding sales, conceptual copywriter, content writer, customer service or customer care representative, and also a lot more. So of course, what we are looking for is the Langaroo's post. So again, I'm showing you these other opportunities wherein you can also apply if you are interested, if you think you are qualified. Of course, we are looking for Langaroo's job post. So this link will be posted in the description down below. So you can see here some other information and the one that I've discussed earlier as well. Okay, so it says here, eTeacher Group creates and operates leading virtual schools throughout the world and is recruiting English teachers for kids and youth, and that is through Langaroo. And then here you can see, of course, these are the qualifications, and then here you can apply for the position. So let's take a look at this. I'll try to apply. And then of course, you also need a LinkedIn profile. So I've showed you before, I had a previous video wherein I showed you how to sign up and make an account in LinkedIn as well. So you're gonna get your link and then post it here, and then your personal website if you have, and also your portfolio. But then I tried just to input my online portfolio, which is you can create in Google site. Here, if you have a personal note, if you have some questions or other clarifications, and then you can also click the applicable teaching certificates that you have, or if you don't have a teaching certificate. So if you need a teaching certificate, of course, you can just go to one website, which is teacherrecord.com. They have a program there wherein you can get your TEFL certificate. So if you have TEFL or TESOL there, I think they just require one. So TEFL will be enough. And then how many years of teaching experience do you have? You have teaching experience online? Of course, yes. Are you available teaching from 8 p.m. till 2 a.m. our Philippine time? Yes. Are you looking for a long-term position? Yes. What is your expected salary? So probably you can also negotiate with your salary or with your hourly rate, especially if you are really competitive and if you have like really long experience, years of experience teaching ESL. So you can put 6 USD or 7 USD. Then of course try to submit your application. Oh, it doesn't push through, so let's see what is lacking. So here, resume. So you need your CV. So attach your CV here or your resume. So if it's already attached, and then you can go ahead and submit your application. And then there. So automatically it is going to be received by the management. So upon submission, you are going to receive a message wherein they will tell you that your application has been received. And then after some few days, you are going to receive another message or another email. It says, "Thank you for applying for an online educator at eTeacher Group. We are looking for certified English teachers with a lot of experience instructing and guiding kids and youth. All of our classes are conducted online from your home. In addition, we also provide a training course along the materials needed for teaching our online courses. After you successfully complete the training, you can start teaching. So the position requires minimum of 10 weekly hours." I think these are the things that I've discussed earlier. And then as part of the recruitment process, we recently sent you a job MA video interview for you to submit. So you're going to maybe record a video of you answering the interview questions, and then this should take about 5 minutes to complete. And then here, they also said we should appreciate if you can also send us a copy of transcript of your TESOL certificate, specify your payment method preference. So if you like bank to bank or PayPal for you to receive your income or your earnings. And then please add your computer details. And then there, you're going to wait for their response. So you can just check your email and there. Once you comply, and then you're going to proceed to the next step. Thank you for watching, fellow hustlers. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button to be updated on my newest post. Also, if you finish the video, just type in free course. Thank you and see you on my next video, which is very soon. Goodbye!